Live like golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Hey YouTube, it's me, Amari here from the Three Slay Sisters, and this vlog is starting early, a little late because it's 1 o'clock, literally 1 o'clock in the morning, and I have to get up in 2 hours to go back to North Carolina to get my family. So I have to get up at 3:30, stupid time. And it's like 1. I'm depending, like, I'm like, should I stay up? Should I go to sleep? But I'm gonna go to sleep because, as y'all see, I'm tired. And I only have like 3 bench nuts I did. Like, I don't know why I did them and I'm not gonna finish, but it's okay. Let's see y'all at 3:30. Hey guys, so my mom said it's like 6:30 something. My mom said she's on the way, so I have to get ready. But I don't know what I have to get ready for because I'm just going down and up, going down and coming back up. I'm just picking them up. So y'all bit my lip when I was asleep, I think, because it don't hurt now. But I taste the blood and it's disgusting. But I'm gonna show y'all. But I'm about to go brush my teeth and wash my mouth out with water and mouthwash. But if I do mouthwash, it's gonna burn. So, yeah. So, I'm done brushing my teeth. I got on my clothes. And my hair, I'm just gonna, I kinda don't care. But, I'll do something while I'm on the road, so. Guys, I am now in the car. Let me sit down. Okay. That looks stupid, but it's okay. So, yep. I'm better in the road. Okay. But see y'all. Crap, but yeah, guys.
But I'll see y'all later.
Okay, guys, we just got up well, we are in North Carolina. Look at the car. We are in North Carolina, but we're not in Wilmington. We're not at our destination. And we stopped at this, it's like a Wawa, but it's not a Wawa. It's like our gas station at Maryland. It's called EP Mart, but I got me, hold on.
Yeah, we are here. The house is right there. Everybody leave. I'm kind of sad, because I missed. Well, first of all, I wasn't even here for the time that my brothers and sisters were here. But everybody's getting situated. My family's in the getting in the van, the other van, and I'm staying in this car, because you see me right now, my mom's car. I'm standing here, and we're going to Sonic. So, oh, and y'all, I slept when we was coming, like, from that last, before this, when I said I was at, like, a local gas station in Maryland. Yeah, I slept after that, and then say hi to Mr. Fishy. I don't know his name. Hers or her name. So, he keep on, like he's scared of the camera or something. Okay, there we go. Hi, Mr. Fishy. Fishy. Okay, don't ask me what type of fish he is, because I don't know. I'm gonna ask my older brother. But it's getting hot, so I'm gonna, ask my mom if I can turn on the car. But you know, see you on Sunday. Okay, so here come Allie. She can barely open the door. Oh, she going out the other way. When you pull her. Look at her. She coming. I see her. Say hi to the vlog. My darn lip gloss. I thought this was Jordan's at first. Hi, vlog. Thank you. Oh, I'm thirsty. Look at my best friend. I'm standing here. I'm thirsty. No. Get out. It's like now. I'm coming back with my bags and everything. So now it's okay. Okay, I'll see you at Sonic. So yeah, I'll see you at Sonic.
So, yes, Sonic.
33?
Another one. We the best music. DJ Khaled. I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby.
What's up, y'all? We are home. Well, we are home. I'm home. Nice and safe. It's 3:30 in the morning. And I'm in a bathroom. I'm literally about to take a shower because I'm clean like that. So, yeah, I'll see y'all when I get out the shower. I gotta finish this banter nap, but I'll see y'all when I get out the shower. Y'all, it's dark. I know y'all can't see me. But I just got out the shower, and that shower felt like life. It was everything. Like, that shower was so everything. And, like, in the last video when I said, because I'm clean like that, I'm clean like that. No offense. Y'all, whatever she trying to say, that's wrong. It was just late. Well, it was just early. And she don't understand. But I'm the same person. But that was what happened. So what I was trying to say was, I'm not saying that you or whoever watching this is dirty. I'm saying I'm clean like that, and I am clean. I'm very clean. I don't care what time it is. I will take a shower, like, for real. Like, I will take a shower at 3 in the morning. I don't care what time it is. But I wasn't saying you dirty. Don't mind my hair. Probably can't see it. I might crop it out. I don't know. But yeah, she could keep on talking. Found it. But see y'all see y'all later. Well, I won't see y'all later. Well, this is the end of the vlog. So see y'all. Please like, subscribe, and peace.
When I drop, why they all gon' flop, when I drop, woof, woof, woof.